Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another fashion hacks video. You guys seem to love my first one, so we are back with some really cool fashion hacks that I think you guys will love. This video is sponsored by Peds, but before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram for daily outfit inspirations. Let's get to the video. All right, so the first hack is to use Peds to keep your socks from showing or falling down. These Peds liners are my little hidden secrets because they are how I get that chic look when wearing sneakers, boots, flats, loafers, and they keep my foot looking like I'm not wearing anything at all, but I really am. And speaking of hidden secrets, one of my hidden secrets is reality TV. So I don't know about you guys, but I want to know what your hidden secret is. Leave me a comment below and let me know because I'd love to know what it is. But anyway, these are what some of the Peds liners look like. They have a variety of liners from low sport liners to midi sport liners to ultra low liners to extreme low liners. So really quickly, as you can see in the picture right here, this ultra low liner you can wear with flat shoes, and then same with these extreme low liners, you can wear them with flat shoes just like that, and maybe your flat shoe is a little more revealing on your toe cleavage. So these ones are extremely low, and then you can also wear these with closed toe heels as well. And then we have your low sport liners that you can use with loafer shoes just like this. And then last but not least, we have your mid-sport liners. These are probably my favorite just because I wear a lot of sneakers when I go to work out, or even just for like a clean white sneaker look that I pair with dresses sometimes. This one you can also wear with boots. So as you saw, they have a liner literally for every type of shoe out there. These are the ones that I've been wearing. I wanted to show you the inside because they have this clear kind of grip thing on the heel. This is what makes this liner stay put and not fall off. And then if you can see on the inside right here, it is extremely soft. They make your shoes really, really comfortable. And then this is what the outside of this liner looks like. And then it also has a band right here that goes all around. And this also just helps with the liner to stay put on your foot. And this is what the extremely low liners look like. They have that same kind of band that goes around, as well as that clear grip. So they cover your heels and your toes while hiding in your shoes so that no one will see them. They also help preserve the life of your shoe because the liners become a barrier between your foot and the shoe, therefore preventing the sole from wearing off quickly. And then I wanted to show you that they come in all varieties of colors. So a lot of neutral colors like gray, white, black, and beige. Finding good socks that actually have the support, that actually are a no slip, that actually are hidden is really, really hard to find, especially like good quality ones. So I highly, highly recommend these. So all the information to these Peds, direct links for you guys to shop will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out before you leave. All right, so my next fashion hack is about jewelry. I have quite a bit of jewelry hacks, which I think you guys will appreciate because I don't think people really talk about it too much. So my second tip to avoid tarnishing jewelry is to put the jewelry on last when getting dressed so that you avoid any tarnishing or any discoloration or things like that. A lot of times we just get dressed, we put on our jewelry, and then we add our perfume. Perfume has a lot of chemicals in it, which in turn could tarnish your jewelry. So put on your clothes, spray on your perfume, and then put on your jewelry. My third fashion hack is to remove all the jewelry from your body. Don't sleep with them at the end of the day, and wipe them down with a soft tissue, like a Kleenex tissue, but not with a paper towel because a paper towel is a little too harsh and might add some scratches to your jewelry. So just wipe them down at the end of the day, and again, don't sleep with them because when you're wearing jewelry all throughout the day, you're sweating, your neck is sweating. So just removing them and wiping them down at the end of the day to wipe off the sweat, the dirt, the dust, all those environmental factors that may be caught on to your jewelry is really great for prolonging, again, the life of it. Our fourth fashion hack is using a scarf to travel with your jewelry. So all you have to do is take any scarf, and it doesn't even have to be a scarf. It could be something thin like a scarf. You could even cut up an old t-shirt to make anything like the size of a small scarf, and just lay your necklaces vertically on top of the scarf and then roll it up and tie it in a knot and toss them in your suitcase. This will prevent your necklaces from tangling, and it saves a lot of space when packing your jewelry. Also, another really smart way to travel with jewelry is to use a pill box. We've all seen those vitamin or pill box cases that have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Those are really compact. You can throw rings, little earrings, little necklaces in there and pack them away. It's easy, space saving, and keeps them from tangling. All right, next fashion hack, again, is for jewelry. If you lose backs of earrings like I do all the time, if you have some old corks from wine lying around, all you have to do is cut them up into little squares or whatnot, and there you go. You have an earring back temporarily or forever. And that's just a really clever and inexpensive way to create earring backs of your own. All right, next fashion hack is for patent shoes. You can use Windex or any type of window glass cleaner on your patent shoes if you want to enhance its shine. All you have to do is spray the Windex onto a piece of cloth and wipe it down. All right, next fashion hack, if you're traveling or even if you're at home and you don't have an iron, but you do have a flat iron, you can easily use your flat iron to iron out the collars of your shirts. You can even iron out dresses and just all types of pieces of clothing that maybe aren't too thick. I know a lot of us maybe don't have steamers. We don't want to travel with steamers or irons. So this is kind of a killing two birds with one stone thing, and hopefully it works out for you. And my last fashion hack is to preserve the life of your jeans. So if you want to avoid fading, all you have to do is turn your jeans inside out when throwing them in the wash. Of course, trying to wash your jeans as minimally as possible is also going to avoid fading, but when you do have to wash your jeans, try to remember to make it a habit to always wash them inside out. That way most of the wash is happening on the inside and not damaging so much the color of your jeans. Alright guys, that is it for this fashion hacks video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what your hidden secret is and which hack you'll try at home. Thank you again so much for watching and spending your time with me. Don't forget to check out the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm at Naomi Boyer. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in my next video.